How to find add nearby friends on Snapchat. Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll show you on how to find or add nearby friends on Snapchat. Be sure to watch till the end so that you don't miss any steps. So without further ado, let's begin. First, open your Snapchat app on your mobile device and log into your account. Tap your profile icon at top left corner of your screen. On your profile feed, simply choose the option of a snap map, which is usually at the bottom of your screen. Simply tap on it and allow Snapchat to use your location. Proceed by tapping on gear icon at top right and make sure you turn off ghost mode by tapping on it and toggling it off. Now, select or choose who can see your location, that is my friends accept or only those friends. For this video, I will select my friends and you need to make sure that you disable hide my live location so your friends can see your live location. Once you're on your snap map, you can easily view your current location and you can easily zoom out to see nearby friends on your map. You can easily choose any of the locations or even the people or account if you find it. And here you can easily choose any of the particular video of any account. Then proceed by tapping the profile. Now you can easily tap on add button. You can also go to the quick share to share your live location with friends and add them from there. And in this way, you can easily find or add nearby friends on a Snapchat using a Snap Map. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of the updates or next videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.